In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, select the error. The professor voted Teacher of the Year by students were traveling in Europe when she received notice of her promotion. No error. At first, we have to find out subject and verb. Subject singular, verb also singular. Subject plural, verb also plural. This is the law of subject verb agreement. So, select the error in this sentence.